Hey everyone, welcome back to What is World. We bring you exciting insights into making a positive impact on our world. We have got an eco-friendly topic that not just good for the planet but also for your pockets. Recycling. Recycling is not just about tossing things into the blue bin, it's a way of life that brings tremendous benefits. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of recycling. So let's get started. Recycling is a powerful tool for conserving our environment. Did you know that recycling 1 ton of paper can save 17 trees and reduce air pollution? That's just the beginning. By diverting waste from landfill, recycling helps reduce the strains on our precious land resources and minimize harmful economic benefits of recycling. But wait, there is more. Recycling is not just about saving the planet, it can also save you some cash. Many industries thrive on recycling, creating jobs and stimulating local economies. Plus, using recycled materials often cost less than making product from scratch. Let's spice things up with some intriguing recycling facts. Recycling aluminum save 95% of energy needed to make it from raw materials. That fact will make you appreciate the impact your small recycling efforts can have. So there you have it, folks, the amazing world of recycling. By doing your part, you are not only contribute to a healthier planet but also make a positive financial impact. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe button. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, every small recycling effort count and together we can make a world of differences. Until next time, keep recycling and keep earning those good vibes.